Good morning, dear friends. I am Dhatri from Standard 9. Prayer. Prayer binds us with God and brings us nearer to Him. It is a must because it gives us strength and courage in our life to face problems. It gives us peace of mind, comfort, and consolation. So let us stand in prayer position and ask Almighty to strengthen us in life.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
So friends, I hope you have enjoyed the prayer. Now, let us listen a beautiful thought by Z.
Hello everyone, a very good morning to all. This is Z Purohit from Standard 9B standing in front of you to say a thought. So, the thought of the day is success is a sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. This means that in order to reach our goals, we need to make a plan and work on it. It's all about overcoming challenges and celebrating our accomplishments. It does not really happen all of so sudden. We need to constantly put efforts daily to improve our skills and strengthen our abilities to complete the task smoothly and accurately. This process keeps on going until you reach your goal. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Rise up, start fresh, see the bright opportunity in this new day. Thank you and have a truthful day.